love into school because in school we study and play.
While answering, look at the picture and also speak a line about the picture. Raj has to attend his aunt's wedding in Kerala.
Ever since Karan started school, he's been full of wonder at the world. Green Acres follows an ICSE curriculum, which provides an extremely strong foundation.
Soumya?
He can buy a raincoat.
Very good. Can you say something about this picture, Arihi? What kind of season can you see in this picture?
I can see summer.
You can see summers? Alright, thank you.
And then it takes this learning one step further by encouraging its application in the real world. For example, in their library class, the students discuss books on many levels and then do activities based on the books as well. When Karan learned about seasons in geography, he learned how it affects the clothing we wear. In class, they had this economic activity where the children had to buy clothes. I was so amused when he helped me pack for our annual summer holiday.
I'm stronger than the boys in my class.
Well, Anika has always been a bit of a tomboy. As a child, standing on her head was a common sight. Her mother and I encouraged it. You see, we wanted her to run, play, and of course be sporty. Green Acres has taken her enthusiasm and perfected it. She learns self-defense skills like Taekwondo, which is so beneficial in today's times. They even have access to a swimming pool. We never had those things. When she started, she was just splashing around, and now she's learning to swim.
Music has the steady beat. What are the things in the steady beat? My heart, boom, 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 boom.
When Ayan was young, he was always drumming on the kitchen utensils. I used to shout at him and tell him to stop making a noise. After just 1 year at Green Acres, I realized that he has a real talent. His music teachers pointed it out to me. Ayan's been learning how to read music and keep time with the beat. Their music room is state-of-the-art, with a keyboard for every child. Here, from the age of 6, they understand the fundamentals of both Western and Indian classical music. He comes home singing simple songs. But his sense of tone and rhythm is already more evolved than mine.
Music has a steady beat. Music has a steady smile.
One time in the class, we had to chew the bubble gum like this.
In one of the first few days of school, Naina told me that they were chewing gum in class. She was giggling away and saying how much fun it was. I was really taken aback.
Now take it and put it back in the clouds.
But on open day, when we visited the school and met the teachers, it all started making sense. It was speech and drama class, and the kids were channelizing their energy with movements that opened up their minds to imagining scenarios. In dance class, movement was being used as a medium to teach the kids Indian traditions.
Radha Lola.
Naina's poise and grace has also improved in this last year at Green Acres. On holidays, it's difficult to keep her at home. Naina absolutely loves school.